Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to modeling this cosmetic product. Okay, let's start it. First open up your Blender and let's delete everything here. At the front view, Shift A, image reference. I'm gonna drop the image reference in the link description below. Let's use this one. Move it back here. Let's adjust it a little bit. Okay, enable the opacity, change it to 0.5, right view, image reference, use this one, let's adjust it a little bit. Okay, put it here, opacity here, 0.5, then select everything, GZ. Okay, I think it's enough. Then press Shift A, mesh, add a cylinder, tap to edit mode, press GZ1, just like this, Alt Z, S to scale it, Shift Z, scale it without the Z axis. Just follow your image reference, click and drag like this, put it here, select down here, press Ctrl B, bevel it like this, then select the top part like this, Ctrl B, bevel, just a little bit like this. Then go to the object mode, you can Shift A, mesh, add a circle, GZ, put it here, tap to edit mode, S to scale it down like this, then press E to extrude it on the Z axis. Then E again, extrude, press S to scale it somewhere around here I guess, then press E, extrude till here. Okay, you can press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, put it here, Ctrl B, bevel it just like this. Then select all of this edge, S to scale it up, then press Ctrl B again, this time using one segment only, just like this. Then select this edge, Ctrl B, bevel, select this edge again, we're gonna E extrude, S to scale it just a little bit like this, E extrude, Z, extrude it down here, then we can press F to fill, then Ctrl B, just like this. We can do bevel here if you wanted to. Okay, then go to the object mode, press Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision modifier. Do the same here, right click, shade smooth. Okay, I guess we need a bevel here, this one, maybe scale this up. Next, Shift A, mesh, another circle, put it here, tap to edit mode, S to scale it down like this, press E to extrude on the Z axis like this, Alt Z, S to scale it, then go to the right view, we can press G, Y, put it something like this. Go to the top view, we need to select these vertices, make this active, it will be white color, then change here to the active element, go to the right view, then we can press R to rotate down here just like this, We need to scale this up a little bit without the z-axis. Okay. Then press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, then move here, top view, make this one active one, go back here, press S to scale it down, Shift X to scale it without the X-axis, scale it like this. Let's set the front view. Okay, everything is correct. Let's select this, scale it, but without the Y-axis. Just something like this. Okay, so everything here will be fine. Let's rotate it a little bit. Okay, everything fine now. Then we can press K to cut here. Let's just follow this line here, put it something like this, click and drag like this, X, go to the modifier, generate another mirror, and enable the clipping. At the right view, we can press Ctrl R, then put loop cut here. Then we're gonna select all of this face, just like this. Then press Alt E, extrude face along normal, extrude it back here, just a little bit like this. Then go to the edge mode, click here, select all of this edge, press X, dissolve edge. Then press Ctrl R, put loop cut here. At the top here, we can press Alt and click this edge, then press F to fill, press Shift, click this to unselect, press Ctrl B. We need to bevel it a little bit here. Go to the object mode, we can press Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision modifier. It looks pretty fine. Right click, shade smooth. We need some adjustment here. Let's press Ctrl R, put loop cut here. Then click this one and this one, press G to join. Then press Ctrl R again, put loop cut here, just like this. Select these vertices, hold Ctrl, click here, press G twice to slide it in. Okay, now we have something like this. Alt Z to see the X-right view. We need to click these vertices, press G twice to slide it in, like this. So it didn't really sharp over here. Okay, then select this face. You can press I to insert, press B, just like this. And this one, this edge, this vertices, G twice, slide it here. This one, G twice, slide it here. Select this face, press X, delete the face. Maybe we can move this up a little bit. Select all of this, press GY, move it like this a little bit, then press SY0, GY, okay, then select this, press G, Y, move it back just a little bit like this. Okay, let's go to the shading tab here. Let's add a material, select this object, new material, change the IOR, I guess plastic is 1.4. Let's make it a little bit darker and let's make it blue, I guess. Turn down the roughness, kind of something like this. Then this one, new material, let's turn down the roughness, let's leave it like this. Then we're gonna create the label down here. Just go to the canva.com, create here, new, customize the size. I'm gonna use 2000 and the height I'm gonna use 100. Create a new design. Then over here at the design, we're gonna just use a template. Let's search for label, product. We're just gonna use this one. Just click here. Then we can change the background. I'm gonna use maybe blue for this one. You can type your brand here. And let's use white background here. Then you can click here, share, download, and download again. Click here. After you download it, back to our Blender. Over here, let's tap to the edit mode first. Then go to the back view. Select this edge. Press U. Mark seam. And let's delete over here. We don't need this face X. Delete the face. Okay. Then down here, select this face, press U, mark seam, then press A to select everything, press U, unwrap, angle base. Then new material, select your principal BSDF, press Ctrl T. You can do this if you already enable the not wrangle node, but if you don't, go to the edit, preference, get extension here. You can search for not wrangle. The node will be here. I'm already installed it, so it won't show up here. It will be on my add-ons here, but you will find it in get extension here. Install the node wrangle and enable it. Save your preference. Then image texture here. Find your image texture. Press U, unwrap angle base. Then change here to UV editor. Just drag like this. Press L here, select this one, put it outside here. Then change here, repeat to clip. Select one of these, press L to select everything, press R to rotate 90 degrees, S to scale this up, change this one to extend, then we can adjust the position here. Yeah, maybe this is enough. Then we can turn down the roughness. Okay, I guess we are done here. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.